Good morning, everybody. I am in New Orleans, and I'm gonna go to two beautiful places that we're gonna explore today. One of them is the New Orleans City Park, and the other one is the Lake Pontchartrain. Let's go and enjoy those beautiful places in New Orleans. This is time of Mardi Gras, but in New Orleans, you besides having a good time, if you like to party, at Bourbon Street, or on St. Charles, or on Canal Street, any of those places, besides partying hard in New Orleans, because a lot of people do that, there's nothing wrong with that. You can also see beautiful places like the ones we're gonna visit today, okay? So let's go. One of the best ways to travel in New Orleans is taking the streetcar. So I got a day pass. Sorry, it's upside down. I got a day pass, which is valid for 24 hours. Okay, it's only $3. It's only $3, and you can use it, especially in this area where the French Quarter is. I'm right now on St. Charles Street, towards the western side of the city, and I'm heading towards Canal Street and the River Walk, and then from River Walk I'm gonna go to the New Orleans City Park. So once again, don't forget to get this one. It's really good. It's really good value for money. It's only $3, and you can use it on streetcars, in buses, everything. Okay, for only $3. So I'm here with my friend Lida from Sacramento. We are at the New Orleans City Park, and we're gonna head towards the lake. We're gonna have lunch over there, and you can come here really easily. You can take an Uber from the French Quarter, or you can come by public transport, I said to you before. Today is a national holiday, so we decided to Uber instead of taking the bus, because it was gonna take too long. We were gonna wait for a long time, so we decided to come by Uber. It was from the French Quarter. It was only $12. We're gonna walk all across the park, and we're gonna get to the lake. We'll see you there. We made it to the lake. That's Lake Pontchartrain. We ended up coming again by Uber, because it was a long walk for when we were from the city park, like from the Botanical Gardens to come here is around 4 miles, which are 6.5 kilometers, give or take, right? And as you can see, this place is beautiful. We're gonna have lunch here. When you come to New Orleans, check it out. Enjoy life.